Meet Bayan Flow, a clear way to see algorithms, not just read them. It's an interactive playground built for clarity. Watch arrays reorder and grids light up as Dijkstra and A* trace the shortest path, step by step, frame by frame. Every operation is shown. Every move is explained. From bubble sort to merge sort, from BFS to A*, explore how each algorithm thinks, reacts, and adapts in motion. Toggle manual mode to study each operation, or switch to autoplay and watch the logic unfold. You'll get live complexity insights, runnable Python examples, and a clean, fluid UI that keeps the focus on learning. Bayan Flow 0.1.0 is live, free for learners, developers, and anyone curious about how things work. Learn algorithms with clarity. Learn them with Bayan Flow.